Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. Before we begin, a quick look at the headlines. Ruralpreneur Festival 2025 showcases Meghalaya's grassroots innovation. MLAs meet BSF, police over border security and infiltration threats in Indo-Bangla border areas. Reboy and Kamrup authorities form peace committee to resolve Maikuli border clash. And opposition MDCs urge KHADC CEM to resolve stalled projects, fund delays. The news in detail. The State Central Library is buzzing with entrepreneurial energy as the two-day Ruralpreneur Exhibition cum Festival 2025 brings together more than 250 rural entrepreneurs from across Meghalaya. Organized by Prime and MBMA, the festival is a celebration of indigenous crafts, organic produce, eco-friendly products and local innovations. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the event, joined by top officials including Principal Secretary Sampath Kumar and MBMA CEO Vijay Kumar D, underscoring the government's strong support for rural enterprise.
Most important, which is I want to get to the core of what we are trying to do out here. The core of what we are working on is to create the culture of entrepreneurship. That is what is the most important thing.
Mausadram MLA Olan Singh Suin and Ranikor MLA Pius Marwain held a joint meeting with BSF commandants of 16 border outposts and police officials at Dangar village, East Khasi Hills district. The discussion centered on recent cross-border crimes including robbery and attempted abductions by Bangladeshi nationals. The BSF acknowledged challenges like damaged fencing, riverine terrain and patrolling difficulties. The MLAs urged security forces to carry out checks without harassing local residents and requested police presence at all checkpoints to support the BSF and build public trust.
Country border outpost border na overstretch nado Ranikor Mausadram nili kundu baro ki commanders jom ki border outpost ni bacho ni kundu mulai ngilali kundu issue inspector general assembly mulai order bagi dia ni kundu kahna yang ki nong elang ni nong ikman beriji flu jimut kolom senan nong apa ni in marka Bangladesh kalong boiling Tengiti bateng-teng ke kidon na Bangladesh bagian rotu ang po Indian territory jungi.
Following violent clashes triggered by the Assam State Electricity Board's erection of electric poles inside Maikuli village, Meghalaya, district authorities from Reboy and Kamrup have jointly formed a peace committee. The committee, with equal representation from both sides, seeks to peacefully resolve the dispute and maintain communal harmony along the border. Reboy Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal urged residents to avoid actions that disrupt peace and assured that both administrations are committed to dialogue and cooperation to settle the issue amicably.
In the process to establish peace over there, they have established a peace committee which was already existing, but they have enforced it again, and they have requested people from both sides to nominate representatives for this peace committee. The idea is that the peace committee, which will have representatives from Assam side and Meghalaya side, will sit together and will discuss on the broad issues, and if whenever there will be any issue which might lead to any law and order situation or might lead to tensions, this peace committee will respond first and ensure that no situation whatsoever turn into a volatile or unpleasant situation.
Opposition MDCs met KHADC Chief Executive Member to raise concerns over stalled development works, pending contractor payments and delays in releasing funds for key sectors like education and sports. Leader of Opposition Titos Khain said the projects initiated by the previous Election Commission have halted due to technical issues. The CEM assured action and said a meeting with traditional leaders is being planned to address the issue of influx.
On supplementary count, ya 16 Finance Commission. Kalau ada kapua, dia mentah gajing kali jungai CM kalau bah lagi ni scheme 21, 22 ngimpat yo, 22, 23 ngimpat yo, 23, 24, 24, 25 ngimpat yo. Dia lagi ni scheme kin continue na kin lapse no. Nomor sisi supplementary ya 16 Finance Commission, dia gajing suatu jungai kilaban dono gini. Temu kilaban pui kapur kapangin dono gini scheme. Tega jindono ngande yang ni, tega jindono ngande upai pa.
The Meghalaya government has instructed all DCs to prevent landowners from building temporary structures along the proposed high-speed 4-lane corridor from Mao Linkhung to Panchgram, Assam. Deputy Chief Minister Sneobha Langdar, speaking at the 11th inception day of NHIDCL, said such actions delay critical infrastructure projects. The 22,864 crore corridor, which will significantly reduce travel time between Guwahati and Silchar, will pass through Jaintia Hills, where discussions are underway to avoid obstructions.
Yes, NHIDCL has done a tremendous job, especially in our state. Tremendous job. But there is lapses here and there. We won't blame you. There is some crook here and there. It's a teamwork to solve and sit together so that we'll be able to solve in future. For this long Silchar corridor, I didn't even inform anyone. Do you know what is happening? As soon as people, the villagers know, new foreign yet to come now. They go to DC office, they come to me to ask the local money. Where do we go? What happened? No, we will construct shit so we'll get more acquisition.
A large number of auto rickshaw drivers in Nongpo town were fined during a special checking drive conducted by the Nongpo Traffic Police near Bethany Hospital. The action was taken after reports surfaced of illegal operations by commercial vehicles without valid licenses or proper documents. Officer in charge Rubul Ali stated that despite ongoing awareness programs, many continue to violate traffic regulations. Ali warned that such inspections will continue and violators will face penalties without exception.
Many complaints we have received that they don't have this vehicle registration, sometimes they don't have license, and insurance also sometimes fails. So we receive so many complaints. So that's why as awareness and plus checking, we are conducting this auto vehicle checkings. We are trying to continue this checking daily on a daily basis we are doing.
The Estimates Committee of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, led by Chairman Meralbon CM, conducted a site inspection of major infrastructure projects in Ribhoi district, including the near-complete polytechnic at Right Nongkra, which is expected to be operational in a few months. The committee also visited the long-pending Umsning CNRD block office, where CM instructed the contractor to complete the project by November 2025. The inspection underscores the Assembly's focus on ensuring effective and timely execution of development works in the region.
I've observed that there is a delay in the completion of this very particular project, and the committee observed and directed the concerned contractor to complete the work within November 2025. That is the commitment that has been made by the contractor and official.
Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijayashankar today inaugurated a mobile medical unit sponsored by the Bharat Sevashram Sangha at Raj Bhavan, Shillong. Swami Purna Bratananda, Secretary of the Sangha's Shillong Centre, emphasized the need for accessible healthcare, especially in remote areas, and thanked the Governor for his support. The new unit aims to deliver essential medical services and outreach programs across Meghalaya, boosting health and wellness among undeserved communities. The Meghalaya State Planning Board, along with PWD, conducted a site inspection from Umshirpi Bridge to Upper Shillong. Led by Planning Board Chairman Medba Lingdo, the inspection focused on progress, construction quality and public grievances, particularly along the Shillong to 7th Mile and Pomlung PHC Junction stretch. Issues flagged included delayed bypass work at 3rd Mile and poor construction of retaining walls, one of which was found tilting post Umshirpi Bridge.
Di wat ladak ka kum kapor balabu nakaliang jong department kalong asnam man pendep ini project. Di henrei ni pet bat ni semua ban nakaliang jong ki ni ki ba monitor ya ka ni ka project lembak NHDCL yang bahapo na December kin laban pendep ini project. Henrei ni i bakal kum kajing atrai idon kajing asatin. Dewala kataru angi iba nakalinyuki kila ay kajing tular baki pendep po u sistem pemerintah.
Nongpo MDC Rona Kimdate inspected the abandoned common facility centre at Maoyong village constructed in 2012 to 2013 under the BRGF scheme at a cost of 20 lakhs. Despite being completed over a decade ago, the centre meant to support weaving and spinning activities has remained non-functional. Accompanied by local leaders, Kimdate assured residents that she would take up the matter with the concerned department and the minister in charge, stressing the need to operationalize the facility to benefit local artisans and ensure public funds are not wasted.
Henry wat lada kan ke building la shnaya kala slemba Henry kala shu sa yingja kumne ndon ba pendon kam bat kalong ka jing du nong na ka banta ki nong thanjan ki jongi na ki ne ki dong ki thang de halor jong kan ne ka nong rem na ka liang ka jonga nga mata ka sngi nga wan lang arun kat ka jing pentip ya I rang ba shnong ba ka dor ba shnong hi ban ong bang kwa ban lik pet de jongo hidala de khnang bangan yo ban penso pen sengapat ati bor ki badai pet ya kanika banta.
The West Jaintia District Badminton Association held a formal send-off ceremony at Saint Wright Indoor Hall for 33 athletes selected to represent the district at the 40th State Badminton Championships scheduled from August 20th to 23rd in Ribhoi District. Presided over by Association President D. Pirboch, the event honoured players with new jerseys and words of encouragement, urging them to uphold sportsmanship and discipline. A look at the weather report. In Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 20 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 74% and the rainfall recorded was 2 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature stands at 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature at 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 76% and the rainfall recorded was 8.5 millimeters. Lastly, in Jowai, the minimum temperature stands at 24 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 31 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 74% and the rainfall recorded was 0.7 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Ruralpreneur Festival 2025 showcases Meghalaya's grassroots innovation. MLAs meet BSF, police over border security and infiltration threats in Indo-Bangla border areas. Ribhoi and Kamrup authorities form peace committee to resolve Maikuli border clash. And opposition MDCs urge KHADC CEM to resolve stalled projects and fund delays. Dear viewers, with that we come to the end of the news bulletin. For more updates, join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.